The SUV-like exterior design shows confidence and innovation of Carens. With the sharp edge character lines on rich volumes, together with bold side profile, the design is highly sophisticated. The interior of Carens offers a special, enjoyable space for Indian families who value new customer experience. The exterior of Carens is based on a pillar of our new design philosophy, bold for nature. Bold, solid character and natural attraction from emotional surfacing creates an interesting contrast with modernity. The front shows a sporty and stable stance with high-tech details. The DRL in the headlamps are designed based on Kia's new signature lighting concept, the Star Map. The horizontal chrome garnish in the upper grille and the frame-type chrome garnish in the lower bumper create an impressive tiger face, which is very important for Kia's front design identity. On the side, SUV-like character comes from the side profile first. High front end, pushed back A-pillar, straight roofline with a certain ground clearance gives the car more versatile and more capable look as an RV. The wheel arches and the side seal black claddings even enhance the off-road character with protective look and functionality. While the car looks sleek and dynamic with its slim DRL graphic, it offers a generous headroom as a multi-seater vehicle. In the rear, the technical-looking rear combination lamp on the robust volume makes it look wide and strong. Just like the headlamp, there is a high-tech feeling Star Map graphic as a taillight function, and the three-dimensional chrome garnish as an extra sporty look. Now, to take you through the design philosophy of the interior of Kia Carens, let me invite my colleague, Johan.
Thank you, Taekyun. Hello, everybody. The interior of the Carens is based on the design pillar Joy for Reason. The idea is to create happiness through a combination of a warm and relaxing look and feel, combined with plenty of thoughtful detail. Our designers did extensive local trend research and went to great lengths to incorporate new ideas. The wraparound dashboard feels modern and is accentuated by a wide, high-gloss black panel that adds visual quality to the overall design. This wraparound design extends into the door with a chrome garnish that makes the door trim more eye-catching. The front armrest is uniquely designed and provides storage as well. Ambient lighting is used to create a relaxing environment and enhance the high-tech feel inside. The center switches uniquely designed so that they match the smart experience of the new Carens. While designing the interior, we carefully considered the need to appeal to a wider audience across various age groups and user scenarios. Looking at the requirement of Indian families, we not only optimized space and design, but also brought in special elements that add to the experience while improving functionality. As soon as you step into the Carens, you're instantly welcomed by a sophisticated interior with soothing colors and a layout designed to put all occupants at ease. The indigo and light beige two-tone colors gives a bright and pleasant impression. The colors, materials, and finishes we applied amplify their unique character and detail. But this isn't all. For the exterior, we have introduced 3 new colors: a deep imperial blue inspired by azurite minerals, a low saturation moss brown for an individual look, and sparkling silver full of vitality with metal particles. A pop-out type cup holder, a vent to attach an air freshener, as well as storage for small items, are all incorporated into the dashboard. The door trim looks stylish and is uniquely designed, offering storage space to accommodate up to 3 bottles and umbrellas. Plenty of practicality can also be found in the open-type center console. Here we created a 2-layered tray or mobile devices, as well as an expandable console box to meet multiple customer needs. In addition, details like the spot lamps in the second and third row add value and show that we care for all our passengers. Inspired by airplane seats, all 3 seat rows in the Carens combine comfort with aesthetics by matching materials, patterns and colors in an elegant manner. The second row is also packed with functionality, featuring seat-back tables with an integrated cup holder and space to put tech gadgets, guaranteeing a pleasant experience. I hope you enjoyed listening to what went into designing the new Kia Carens, and that you appreciate the design and all its features as much as we do. Till then, thank you once again, stay safe and drive safe.
Like Skylight sunroof, which offers natural light in the day, and the mood lighting linked to the drive mode selection, which sets a perfect ambience for the evening. The Carens is tastefully designed. Adding flares to its looks are the taillights and LED DRLs based on the star map concept, replicating constellations. The rear door spot lamp lets you enter and leave the car safely, and the list goes on. The Carens is also thoughtfully designed and does not let the third row occupant compromise on anything. One-touch double folding seats in the second row ease the ingress and egress. The seat back table allows you to read or grab a quick bite in the car at your leisure, and under seat tray lets you carry anything additional, as we understand that you have different activities during the day. Coming to its driving, like all other cars, the Carens will be offered with multiple engines and transmission options, like 7 DCT coupled with turbo petrol and 6-speed automatic coupled with diesel engine, along with many others that give ultimate driving superiority. The car will come equipped with all-wheel disc brakes as standard, adding to the long list of 10 high-secure safety features. And let me emphasize once again on the standard 6 airbags. In short, the vehicle is that masterpiece which offers a plush status symbol to inspire while keeping them safe.